everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Andrew and today I'll be showing you guys how to make a beef riblet stew. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, so let me just show you what ingredients I'll be using. Here I got here I boiled the beef riblets in the water and I took out all the dirtiness of it. And we also have here some pig trotters as well. And here I also cut some potatoes and carrots. And then for the sauce we'll be just using here is cubes of brown sugar. Here is fermented bean curd, the red style. And then we're also going to be adding some white vinegar, some half a bottle of soy sauce, a little bit of dark soy sauce, and some Chinese rice wine. So yeah. And then here, to start off, we also have some ginger and garlic. And then after we pan fry these, and then we're gonna also add in some onions. So let's get cooking. Okay guys, let's begin. So over here, I have my pot here. I'm gonna preheat this first. Gonna add in some olive oil. We're first going to pan fry our ginger and garlic. Okay, here I got some chopped up ginger and garlic here. Okay, those should be hot. Just the ginger and garlic. This in. Just pan fry this. Let all that flavor come up, popping out of the pot first, before we can throw in our beef riblets and the pork trotters. Oh yeah, but before that, let me just smash in some onions. So while that's cooking, let's just turn down the heat. Just chop some onions here. Just chop this in first. Okay. The onions, we don't need to chop it so small. Throw that in. Okay. Also pan fry our onions here. Turn up the heat. You're gonna stir it like this just so the onions can separate. Okay, it's done. We can throw in our meats now. Okay, here I've got pig trotters and beef riblets here. Lots of meats. Just throw it in here slowly. Make a delicious Cantonese stew. Very easy to make. With a few sauces and ingredients, you're gonna have a delicious family dinner to be served. Okay. Nice. Okay, now we can just stir it around, cook it a bit. Okay, while that's cooking, I'm gonna add in some white pepper. Put some white pepper here. Sprinkle all around. Also gonna throw in a little bit of black pepper as well. And some crushed garlic spice. Okay, just mix this up. Guys, just remember that your meats, you must first boil them before using it to stew, because when you boil it, you'll witness like a lot of like dirtiness of the meat. So you must first boil the meats first before you make the dish, or else if you don't do that while you're making the stew, you'll end up with lots of dirty bubbles on top of your stew, and yeah, that won't be nice. Yeah, but anyways, thanks to the garlic and the ginger, it's starting to make all these meats smell very delicious. Nice. Okay, now we can add in our soy sauce. Okay guys, I'm gonna add in half a bowl of soy sauce. Just half a bowl. Add in the half a bowl of soy sauce here. Just gonna drizzle a little bit of dark soy sauce. Just for some color. Also gonna drizzle some Chinese rice wine. This is Guangdong Meijiu. Just a drizzle. And I'm gonna get a tablespoon of, we'll add 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. So it's 1, 2. And then this is fermented bean curd, red bean curd. Gonna add in 2 scoops. This will really bring out the taste into this pot of stew. Go add in some of that sauce as well. Nice. Okay. Let's just mix it all up together. This is all the ingredients you need to make a delicious pot of stew, guys. Very easy. The vinegar is just to get the smell of the meats away, and also with the Chinese rice wine and the fermented, those 2 cubes of fermented bean curd is the flavor of the stew. And we add in, obviously, always when we cook Chinese food, there always has to be soy sauce and some dark soy sauce. Yeah, nice. Okay. Now that's cooking. Also gonna add in some oyster sauce. Just a little bit. Oh yeah, and also drizzle some sesame oil. Nice. Mix this up. Get all that delicious flavor into this. Delicious pot of stew tonight for dinner. Okay, nice. Also gonna cut some tomatoes. Okay guys, just gonna wash 2 tomatoes to add to the dish. Cut off the tip. Delicious tomatoes. Okay, just mix it up. Basically, the soy sauce will act as your salt, so you don't need to sprinkle any salt into it because soy sauce is basically salt. Smelling very good. Now to get the sweet taste, we're gonna add in the brown sugar. We're just adding 2 cubes of brown sugar here. It'll dissolve, guys. Yeah, it'll dissolve into the stew. Yeah. Okay. And guys, while you're doing this, you must also boil a kettle of hot water because we'll be adding it into this for the stew. Anyways, it's all done now. It's very easy, guys. I'm gonna add in the hot kettle of water. Okay, here I boil the kettle of water. Here's about 1.7 liters of water. It depends on how much meat you're making, guys. So this pot can feed maybe for 5 people, 5 to 6 people. Yeah, just add in all of that water. There you go. Give it a quick mix. Nice. And there we go. Then we can add in, we can just put on top our potatoes and carrots. Okay, here I chopped up some potatoes here. They're very big, so I cut them in half. Just gonna place it on top. Yeah, just smash it in there. Because once we cover with the lid, all that steam, it will cook the potatoes, and yeah, the sauce flavors will also be soaked up into the potatoes. There we go. We also got our carrots here that we chopped up. Just place it around. Very delicious, easy Cantonese stew, guys. Nice. Look at that. Very beautiful and delicious. I just get a pot lid. I'm just gonna cover this. We're gonna be stewing this for at least 2 hours, and then voila, we'll be having a delicious dinner, guys. Okay, cover it with a lid. There we go. We'll let it stew, guys. Let's check out this, guys. Wow, look at that. Ooh, looking so good. Check it out.